Good morning. Welcome back to the support sessions for HLTWHS001 assessment support. So for participate in workplace health and safety. My name is Sarah and I have recently joined the Sci-Fi team. I'll be running support sessions each week. This is our second one for each assessment task, and then we'll have some drop-in sessions after these if any students need some support. So welcome. Okay, first of all, we'll do acknowledgement. Country. TAFE Queensland acknowledge the traditional custodians of country throughout Australia and respect the continuing connection to land, waters, cultures and family that Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples uphold. We pay respect to elders past, present and future. We recognise that teaching and learning has taken place on country for over 60,000 years, and two-way learning is an important part of our reconciliation journey. Okay, so I'm here today to provide some support for the unit HLTWHS001, and today we'll be looking at assessment 2. I'll guide you through with some tips and pointers, and then if you have any questions or queries, this is the time to ask if anybody drops into class. If not, you can contact us afterwards. Okay. So there are 3 assessments due for this unit. However, today's session will be on AT2. The next week will be on assessment task 3, and then, like I said, we'll have some drop-in sessions if anyone requires that. So the assessment 1 is due, I'd say that's today. It is the 3rd of May 23. Today's session is on assessment 2, which is the quiz, which is due on the 17th of May, and then assessment 3, the observation, on the 31st of May. So the assessment 2, there's probably not a lot we'll go into today. This will probably be a quick session. Is the quiz. So there's 4 topics. Okay, so 4 separate topics, each with different amounts of questions. Topic 1, there's 10 questions. Topic 2, 10 questions. Topic 3, 8 questions. And topic 4, 8 questions. So just remember to take your time to read over the questions. It's really important to sort of understand the question before you start looking at the answers. Topic 1, you know, it's a lot about the work health and safety and hazards, residual risks, and sometimes there can be an answer that maybe all of them look okay. So then there might be an answer to cover all of the answers there. So just have a look through those. General work health and safety, just having a quick look. And safety data sheets. So yeah, most important thing is to take your time, read over the questions, look at the answers. And if you think there's a few or all of the answers, then maybe, like I said, there might be an answer that covers all of them. Study in advance. Give yourself time to be prepared. So you have 2 attempts, okay? And you will be required to reattempt the questions that were unsatisfactory. And try and have no notes. Just, you know, study in advance, be prepared, and yeah, just always prepare your space for quizzes to be quiet and have the time to do them. That would be my best tip. Okay, assessment support, housekeeping. There's not really an awful lot else to go through. All this will have, you've studied this in your learner guide. Just relax, take your time and do your best, okay? So follow the due dates. that are in Connect on the unit page overview and on the right-hand side in your calendar. If you require an extension, please read the TAFE rules and make sure you're aligned with these. Extensions are only granted in exceptional circumstances, so do be aware of this. It's not a fail-safe for getting an assessment in late. So these are important. Your due dates are important dates. Submitting assessments must be through Connect, please. They will not be accepted via email. They must go through the Connect portal. Plagiarism. Everything must be in your own words. No copy and pasting. No copy and pasting from the learner guide. No copy and pasting from the internet. You know, find some information, reword it, write it in your own words, and then that's the correct way to do it. The copy and pasting just won't be accepted. Okay. Referencing, we encourage you to reference under each paragraph if you can. So example, say if you got it from the learner guide, page 52, just say learner guide, page 50 through 52, or if you got it from the internet, this is one time you can copy and paste. You copy and paste the link where you got it from and put it under the paragraph into your assessment. So we do, it's not essential, but we do encourage you to reference. It's good to start referencing, getting into that habit, because if you go on to study, it will be essential and expected for marking as well. Requesting support, email the sci-fi team. The email page is on the unit overview page. Please make sure the subject on your email reflects the content. So no sort of attention to, or just a general sort of line in the email subject. Just make sure it says like AT2, assessment support query, and then we see what it is and we can prioritize emails. Okay, resubmissions, assessment instructions are all there for you on Connect. But resubmissions. Okay, just to recap on the upcoming due dates. So assessment 1 is due today on the 3rd of May. Assessment 2 is due in 2 weeks on the 17th of May. Assessment 3 is due 2 weeks after that on the 31st of May. Okay, don't miss the deadline. It's so important. It's so important to keep moving and being organized in your studies as well. And that way you can alleviate stress and, you know, just getting overwhelmed with all the work that needs to be done. So plan and structure your study time and your assessment time. Okay, so once again, so sci5.north@tafequeensland.edu.au. Make sure you include your name, student number, unit code, assessment number, question numbers, and outline your query. So, and ensure the subject line reflects the content of the email. Just makes life a lot easier for everybody and quicker, and we can get back to you quicker when we have the information that we need. Okay, so next session will be next week on the 10th of May, same time, 9:30 to 10. And if not, you can just, I'll be putting this in additional content. You can hop in there and watch the recording, and next week will be on assessment 3. So have a great day, guys.